Hey everybody, we're here at the 2026 F&GLA sponsored show. It's a landscape show. It's actually called The Landscape Show. So everybody's here getting set up. You got all your big tree suppliers, you got machinery suppliers, everything you could think of on the planet is here. This is the go-to event. So we're here with our booth. Y'all know us, Palm Professionals. We brought a bunch of different products. Y'all know we've been talking about how to recover from the freeze. If you watched my past videos on YouTube and some of the other stuff we've done, you saw products that we have to prevent damage from the freeze or help prevent frost and freeze damage and things like that. So we're gonna have a lot of those on display. Whoop, whoop, whoop. We're gonna have a lot of those on display here. TV rolling with a lot of different items, soil DNA testing, and we're gonna answer questions. So if y'all been wanting to chat with me, now's your chance, come by and do it. You got me pinned into the booth, I can't go away. Unfortunately for my residential homeowners, this is a trade-only event. I'm sorry. But landscapers, architects, anybody else in between, come on by. We're in booth 2213, right there. That's me. Come on by and see me. Let's talk.